Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this channel, we explore powerful strategies to elevate your Forex trading game. So I can assure you that you are in the right place, okay? In this video, we are going to be diving into the London Forex Rush System. Okay, it's a strategy that is designed to capitalize on the high volatility and strong trends of the London trading session. All right, so if you want to make the most of this active market window, then stick around. All right, now let's just get started. Okay, just in a couple of minutes, let's just talk about all that we have to pertaining to the London Forex Rush System. All right. Now, the London session is actually one of the most active periods in the Forex market. Okay, it's one of the most active trading periods. It usually has significant price movements, right? Significant price movements, and this volatility creates incredible opportunities for traders. Now, the London Forex Rush System is all about leveraging this activity to identify breakouts and trends early. Now, this video, I'm recording it on a Saturday, so the Forex market is closed, sadly, unless I would have really liked to, of course, I'd like to, show, current market activity, but it happens that the market is closed at this time. But if you are familiar with trading, of course, you should know how price can be quite volatile during, the London sessions, especially during the times when the New York session and the London session overlaps. Yeah, especially during the times when the New York session and London session overlaps, we usually have quite some significant volatility. Okay, if you're familiar with the Forex market, but even if you are a newbie, then just try to open your chart during market hours, all right, and just target at the period of time when the New York market and the London market opens. Okay, sorry, overlaps. Just target the period of time when the New York session, the New York session opens around. So the New York market opens around 8 a.m. Eastern Time, EST, which is around 1 p.m. GMT, right? While the London Forex market opens, the London session opens around 8 a.m. GMT. Okay, so during the London session, which starts from that 8 a.m. and closes by 5 p.m. GMT, you might want to check how the market reacts during that period. And then specifically during the period that it overlaps with the New York session, which is going to be around 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. GMT. Okay, you might want to check that out. Okay, now let's just proceed with the rush. Okay, now, like I said, the London session, okay, it opens at 8 a.m. GMT and overlaps with the end of the Asian session. Okay, it opens 8 a.m. GMT and it overlaps with end of the Asian session and start of the New York session. Okay, now this overlap creates a surge in trading volume. It results in sharp price movements. All right. The London Forex Rush System is all about leveraging the volatility in the market, trying to identify breakouts and trends early. Okay, and then key currencies, currency pairs that you can focus on during the periods of, the London Rush is the Euro USD, that is the Euro against the dollar. The Euro against the US dollar is one of the pairs you can focus on. Also, GBP USD, the Great British Pound against the US dollar, and then USD JPY is another pair that you might want to focus on, because these pairs, they tend to be the most active during this time. Okay, But the London Forex Rush system can work with any major or cross pair. Actually, it can actually work with any major or cross pair. It doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be those three pairs. Okay. Now, understanding this session's dynamics is crucial for implementing the system effectively. Now, let's just break down the London Forex Rush system step by step. Okay. The first thing is to identify key levels before the London Open. So you can start by analyzing the Asian sessions price range, look for the high and low levels that were established during this quieter period, because the Asian session is quiet. It's a quiet period to an extent, right? And when you identify key levels, like support and resistance levels from the Asian session, right? When you're able to identify key levels from the Asian session, you can then apply tools like pivot points, or simple support and resistance levels might actually, work. So you can use 15-minute or 30-minute charts for a clearer view of price action. All right, you can use the 15-minute chart or the 30-minute chart, to get a clearer view of price action. Then you can identify both dynamic support and resistance levels alongside your horizontal support and resistance levels as well. Okay. Some traders also use moving averages like the 20 period moving average. You can actually use the 20 period moving average to track short-term trends. And then after that, you might want to look out for breakouts. As the London session opens, watch for the price to break above or below the Asian session range. So once you use your horizontal support and resistance levels to map out the range from the Asian session. So now let's just assume that the Asian session, this is just an assumption, okay? Let's just assume that the Asian session ran from here to here. Of course, you will need to, when the market is open, like I said, this video is being recorded on a Saturday, so the market is closed. But during market hours, you will need to check the exact period where the Asian session ran from. Okay? The Asian session is usually from 1 o'clock to 10 o'clock GMT. All right, it's usually from between 1 o'clock to 10 o'clock GMT. So you might want to target you might want to target the range between those market hours. All right, you want to target the range between those market hours. That is 1 a.m. 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT. All right, 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT. Okay, so you might want to find the range within those hours. Okay, and once you have done that, once the London session is about to start, just watch out for breakouts from that range. So assuming the Asian sessions range was between here to here, so what you should be looking out for is a breakout either to the upside or to the downside once the London session opens. Okay, so after you have confirmed, while you are watching out for breakouts, then you can use indicators like RSI or MACD just to confirm momentum. Okay, for example, let me just add RSI to the charts. For example, if you have an RSI value above 50 in a bullish breakout or below 50 in a bearish breakout, it can help to strengthen the setup. And then you set your entry and exit points, right? Enter the trade as soon as a breakout candle closes beyond the range. Okay, and then you can just place a stop loss just inside the range. For example, let's just assume that you are entering okay, let's assume that this range continued till this point. Okay, and let's assume that you entered right after the And let's just say this is just an assumption, okay? So I just have to work with, because this is not the actual Asian session, okay? But with the actual Asian session, just mark out the periods where the Asian session was running through, and then watch out for a breakout. So if we had a breakout around here, then you can enter a sell. You can set a stop loss inside the range. Okay, the stop loss should always be inside the range, perhaps above the nearest high, inside the range. All right, and your take profit can be based on the breakout size, or you can use trailing stops to ride the trend further. Okay, be aware of false breakouts. Okay, not every breakout will lead to a trend. Watch out for confirmation signals and avoid entering trades too early. So the London Forex Rush System is highly adaptable. You can combine it with other strategies or indicators to match your trading style. For example, some traders use Fibonacci retracements to fine-tune entry points, or Bollinger Bands to gauge market volatility. Also, practice patience. Wait for clear breakouts and confirmations to avoid unnecessary losses. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to the London Forex Rush System. This strategy is perfect for traders who want to take advantage of the London session's high activity. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth Forex strategies and tips. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your go-to strategy during the London session? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.